Hello again, Zach Jones here from Recruit. Quick question, and one that would make Captain Obvious very proud. If you had to decide between more applicants or fewer but higher quality applicants, which would you pick? Now, of course, all manufacturers want higher quality applicants. However, is your recruitment marketing strategy generating quality or just quantity? While I don't know what your specific situation is, I do know that most manufacturers are simply placing ads on job sites and/or utilizing staffing companies. Both options are geared to generate large quantities of applicants, not necessarily high quality applicants. Job sites charge you by the number of people that see your ad and/or apply. So they're incentivized to prioritize quantity over quality from the get-go. And while there are certainly some solid staffing companies, we have all had experiences where it was clear their goal was to fill the funnel as quickly as possible. So, what is the solution then? What kind of manufacturing recruitment strategy prioritizes quality over quantity while still generating enough prospects? I firmly believe, and I base this on actual data and past recruitment campaigns, that a detailed digital strategy can solve this problem. It begins with proactive digital ads targeted to your ideal prospects, but instead of linking these ads directly to an application, like so many people do, link these ads to content that educates and nurtures your prospects. Showcase interviews with current employees. Show the technology that your team gets to use each day. These are just a couple of ideas, and I've done multiple videos on these ideas and others lately. But the key is to educate and nurture and then ask them to apply. Think about this. Do you really want an applicant that isn't willing to spend a few moments watching videos about the position and learning about your company? How good will they be if they aren't willing to do that? Now, this is a very abbreviated but accurate overview of how any manufacturer can solve the quality versus quantity problem. At Recruit, we customize recruitment strategies for manufacturers, so consider taking advantage of our manufacturing recruitment blueprint. This involves me meeting with you and then our team developing the perfect recruitment strategy for your needs and goals. Shoot me an email, zach@recruit.com, to schedule a complimentary call so you can decide if this is a good fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.